What's going on, everyone? In this video, we'll take a look at masking lights in KeyShot Studio using one of our recent updates, light layers. Essentially, we're going to use the light layer tool to mask our lights in a way that calls attention to or emphasizes particular elements within the scene. To get started, we'll add a new light layer, which will be our bottle layer, while the default layer will encompass the entire scene. For the default layer, we'll make sure that some of the larger lights meant to fill in information on the bottle are turned off. We can click through the lights within the default layer and determine which light will serve us best. Once selected, we'll fine-tune the light settings a little bit more. In this case, we'll adjust the color temperature to create a more dynamic lighting effect, and we'll also adjust the individual light's power if necessary to get a better 1, 2, 3 read on our scene's objects. In this case, we want to also make sure the label has some attention called to it while still maintaining a realistically lit appearance. At this point, it appears the pump is getting a little lost in the background. We'll add another light and adjust it to achieve the effect we're looking for. You'll also notice that the newly added light has been populated within the lights list in the light layers window. Since it's a new light, we can continue fine-tuning and adjusting the settings, but we'll speed that up for the sake of not spending too much time on this step. Now with that situated, we'll make a new layer called Pump and select the newly added light along with any others we want to use to highlight that specific piece of geometry. Just make sure that each piece of geometry has the correct light layers assigned to it. As you can see here, we needed to double check and switch the assigned light layers to remove the reflection on the bottle that was intended to be projected on the pump only.